to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a springtime get ready with me, so let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Starting out with my CoverGirl Clean It Matte BB Cream, I am just going to dot this all over my face using my fingers. Now off camera I did apply my foundation primer, and today I used the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and I love that stuff. It does a really good job at keeping my makeup on all day. Then I'm just going to blend that out using my e.l.f. Beautifully Bare blending brush. I also really love this CoverGirl BB cream for this time of the year because it is super lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel super heavy, which I love, and it also has a light to medium coverage finish, and it does dry down completely matte. Then I'm just going to add just a little bit more to my cheek area, just to kind of add just a little bit more coverage along in that area. For concealer, I'm just going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes to conceal my dark circles, as well on my chin to conceal a little blemish that I had there, because I am kind of breaking out on my chin area and I don't know why. And I'm also going to blend that out using the concealer brush from my makeup brush set. This comes with the oval brushes, and I love that concealer brush so much. It does an amazing job at blending out concealer. Now I'm just going to use my e.l.f. pressed powder to kind of set everything in place, and I'm going to apply that using my unicorn powder brush, and I really love this powder a lot. It also gives my skin a matte finish like all powders do, but this one does add just a little bit of coverage, and I really like that a lot, and it feels very lightweight. Now I'm going to do my brows off camera, and now I'm going to be using my Beauty Big Bang eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply the cream white shade underneath my brow bone as my brow bone highlight, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to apply it. Now I'm going to use the matte tan color in my crease as my crease color, and to apply that I'm going to use this pink brush from Amazon. I got it with a bunch of other pink brushes. It came in like a huge set for a really cheap price, and I really do like these brushes a lot. They're super soft and very easy to use, and I'm just going to go back and forth motions to apply that crease color to my crease. We are going to do just a very simple natural eye look today, nothing super crazy. Then I'm going to apply this shimmery champagne color to my lid, and I do kind of have to layer the shadow up just a tiny little bit. The light colors in this palette you do kind of have to build up, but that's okay. Once you build them up, they are super pretty, and yeah. And now I'm going to blend everything out using this unicorn eyeshadow brush, and I am just going to blend all of this out using back and forth motions like windshield wipers on a car. And this eye look is very, very easy to do, and it's very natural and very pretty, and it's perfect for this time of the year. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes using the e.l.f. eyelash curler, and I curl my lashes every single day. I probably shouldn't because my lashes do kind of have a natural curl to them, but I just feel like it helps them look just a little bit nicer. And then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I love this mascara. Y'all know this. Y'all are probably tired of me using this and seeing this in my videos and tutorials, but I'm really sorry. I just really, really love this mascara. It does an amazing job at really lengthening and separating my lashes and just making them look really long and pretty. So I'm going to apply just a couple of coats of that to my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to use the Ulta Matte Bronzer in the shade Warm, and I'm going to apply that using the e.l.f. Angled Blush Brush, and I'm just going to bronze up my face just a little bit because your girl is super, super pale. Now I'm going to use the Ulta Blush in the shade Melrose, and I'm going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks using a soft tapping motion, and I'm going to be using the Unicorn Blush Brush. Now I'm going to be using this highlighter from the e.l.f. Total Face Palette. This is a really pretty natural highlight for every day. And I'm just going to apply this to the tops of my cheekbones and down the center of my nose. And I'm going to be using the e.l.f. highlighting brush to apply it. For lips, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. lip gloss, and it's just a really pretty peachy coral color. I don't think you can get this anymore because it was in a Christmas gift set, so it probably was limited edition, and I'm really sorry about that. Here's my outfit. My dress is from Walmart, and my accessories are from Claire's. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye!